Welcome to our presentation on digital wellness. In today's hyperconnected world, maintaining a healthy relationship with technology is essential. This session, we will explore what digital wellness means and share a practical strategies to help you find a balance and improve your online life. We will begin with an introduction of digital wellness and why it really matters. Then we will define digital wellness in simple terms. Also discuss its importance, identify the signs of poor digital habits, and explore the impact. We will also cover the digital wellness in learning and work, healthy habits, managing screen time, real life examples, and practical daily tips. Okay, so this is the agenda what we are going to cover in the current workshop. Next, right? In this section, we introduce the concept of digital wellness, explain why it's important in today's connected world, and identify who can benefit from practicing it students, professionals, and everyday users alike. Okay, digital wellness is all about managing our constant connectivity so it doesn't overwhelm with us, whether for work, school, or socializing. Balancing online plus offline time helps us to feel more in control and less stressed. This section defines digital wellness as a caring for your digital habits, using a technology mindfully, and maintaining a healthy balance between online, offline, overall well-being. Digital wellness means being a thoughtful about how we use technology daily. It involves monitoring screen time, online activities to ensure technology supports rather than controls our mental, physical, and social health. Let's take a moment to understand why digital wellness is so important. As a technology, it becomes a bigger part of our daily routine. Using it without limits can create a stress, affect our health, and influence our personal relationship. Constant use of technology can increase stress, disturb our sleep, and sometimes affect our personal relationships. By practicing digital wellness, we can take better care of our health and continue to enjoy meaningful connections while still using technology in a responsible way. We will look at some common signs like feeling tired, getting distracted easily, okay, or having a trouble focusing. These are things many of us experience when our digital habits begin to affect our overall well-being. Here we talk about how our digital habits can affect our sleep, increase stress, anxiety, and even a physical discomfort like neck and back pain. It also highlights why being more mindful about how we use technology really matters. Spending time on screen late night can disrupt our sleep. Constant alerts can add our stress. And sitting long period at lead to a physical strain. Simply being aware of these effects helps us to small but a meaningful steps to protect our overall well-being. We discuss why digital wellness is so important for staying a productive and focus at school or at work. This includes setting a healthy boundaries and taking regular breaks, which can really help improve both performance as well as your overall well-being. Setting a simple limits such as avoiding emails after work hours and taking regular breaks can really support concentration and reduce burnout. These small habits help us balance digital demands while still taking care of ourselves. In this section, there's a simple practical habits, free breaks, keeping devices out of the bedroom, and limiting notifications that can help create a healthier and more balanced relationship with a technology. Taking a regular breaks from screens, keeping phones out of the bedroom, and turning off unnecessary notifications can make a real difference to your digital wellness, often with a very little effort. We will explore now a simple strategies for setting a daily screen time limits, using technology more mindfully, and balancing online activities with offline experience to support overall well-being. Setting a clear limits for entertainment and social media, focusing on more meaningful screen use, and spending a time on offline activities like reading or going for a walk can really help to create a healthier digital balance. This case study follows Alex's experience, okay, with digital overload and a how few small practicals changes help improve a stress level, sleep, okay, and overall mood, highlighting the real life benefits of digital wellness. Alex, a busy student and a working professional, began to feel overwhelmed by constant technology use. Taking a regular breaks, turning off unnecessary notifications, and setting a no screen times, Alex noticed better sleep and overall improvement in well-being. With a simple daily tips like scheduling time to unplug, being more intentional and grateful about how we use technology, and making a space for a face-to-face connections and support a more mindful and balanced digital life. Choosing a moments to unplug, focusing on positive online experience, in-person interactions are a simple yet powerful ways to improve digital wellness of our everyday lives. Digital wellness is a something we all can achieve with bit of awareness and some practical strategies. By building mindful habits and setting a healthy boundaries, we can enjoy the benefits of technology while still protecting our well-being. I hope you enjoyed this workshop. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.